Hi everyone, this is a vlog style unboxing of my, guess what, winter Walmart beauty box. They're usually almost a season behind, so it's okay that this is winter because the spring box will come sometime in June probably. Anyway, I just got this and it does have some good stuff. See, Winter Wonders. It does have some good stuff in here that I know I'll use. First, I already pried this open and ruined the box, but this is a makeup set from NYX, and it is two of their matte lip creams, soft matte. One is metallic, one is a cream. So I'm not sure how I'm going to like these. The color's good for me, but I'm not sure if I'm going to like them or not. The next thing is a Colgate toothpaste. I do use these when I get them in a box for sure. And deodorant. The only thing that's cruelty-free in here, I think, is the makeup. But anyway, this is Degree Ultra Clear. I guess you can wear it whether you're wearing black or white, but it's a spray deodorant. And this Curel, I do really like Curel for my dry skin. It is not cruelty-free. So I'm going to give, ooh, something leaked. Oh no, the nail polish. Oh no, it was. Oh my God. Oh no. How could this be? I can't rescue that. I guess I could get it out of the box, but I don't know how that could have leaked so much. It's like a ballet slipper color, but now it's garbage, so that's really a shame. I have to throw it away. It's all soaked inside with nail polish. It's funny because my husband said, "Did you do your nails?" And I was like, "No." He goes, "I swear I smell nail polish." So this sucker must have been slightly open and then just poured all over the inside of this box. So that is now garbage. That's a shame. I wonder if they'll replace it for me if I let them know that it popped open and was all over the inside of the box. Because that's really not right. So I think I will send them a message because I do want to try that nail polish. And I think it is a cruelty-free brand. Color Lab, I'm afraid to Color Club. So, you know, I'll just have to take a picture of it and send it to them. This is such a shame. I really would have liked it. I would have enjoyed using that. But anyway, I am happy with the other items that came in this box, which I'm now going to take out of the box because it's now going to be full of leaked out nail polish. These are not coupons. They're just cards that are like, yeah, hey, try this. Do you like it? They're basically about the product. So anyway, that was weird. So I got these 4 items intact. And this, unfortunately, the lid was open. So it leaked all over the inside of the box. It is like really all over the inside of this box. So yeah, my husband did smell nail polish. All right, so thank you very much for watching. This was unfortunate and a surprise, and I do really like this nail polish color, so I'm going to see if they can send me another one. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary with my Walmart beauty box. I have never had a Walmart issue in my beauty box ever in the past, so I'm pretty surprised. You know what, since we've abandoned that, holy shit, the entire top came off. There's the top. Let's see. The bottle is broken. That's what the problem was. The bottle is broken in half. So the remainder of the bottle is inside. That's a shame. I don't know how the bottle could be broken, but it is broken. So they're going to need to replace this for me. because the other piece is inside. All right, so anyway, thank you very much for watching. This part of the vid is a disaster, but this part is not, and I'm very happy with these products. Thanks, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.